So we're here in Parnhams in Cape Town, and this is our little urban beekeeping experiment. We've just got the one hive. It's up on a high roof, so it keeps the bees out of our way and out of the pets' way. They fly in and out over the roof line, they don't really disturb us and we don't really disturb them. It's quite a nice arrangement. It's a better arrangement than having the bees under the floorboards, which is what we previously had. As you can see the hive there, just got a tin sheet over the top of it just to keep the sun off them a bit in the midday heat. It's a beautiful morning here. It's about 7:30. Sun's well up, and there's flowers out all over the garden at the moment. You can see here the digitalis and the lavenders, poppies, cryptococcus. This is feijoa, all in flower, so the bees are loving it at the moment. Lots of forage for them. Rue. I'm going to go and have to check out the poppies in the front garden now. Okay, we're in the front garden. This is our mandala system here, and then we grow some of our annual vegetables. At the moment though, it's largely populated by a lot of self-seeded poppies, which we introduced a few years ago. And it's quite a nice arrangement. They come up and fill a bit of a gap when we're not doing so much here. And the bees absolutely love them. So I'll just get in a bit close so we can have a look. And they just look stunning. Not sure if you can make out on camera the activity that's going on around here, but it's pretty full on. So there we go. That's the early morning bee activity. And here's the cat. Come to say hello. Good boy. Bye.